It fools your brain on speed. That thing is fast.
Pull.
That's over your shoe at.
It's probably about 40, 35, 40.
Okay, let's say 40. Average speed, 4 foot. That bird's faster than average. Give it 6 or 7 feet.
Get that much.
Yep.
Don't shoot idiot.
No. Yep.
Pull. Still behind that bird. So how would you shoot it?
Maintain. Try that for me and start. Insert 5, what you kind of feel is 5 feet, and give me a little pull away off of that.
Pull.
Like that. That bird's big. Yep. Start 5, give me a little push. That was perfect, Bob. Perfect.
Pull.
Yep.
That feels like I'm too much. Pull.
Big.
Pull.